to Android phone. Okay. Yeah. So what's the best, easiest method to stream? I take this article from the internet, and this is the guy, Jim Davis. I'm not sure his name. So if you recorder and post, I not taking, I taking some of his credit from him, but never ask his permission. Okay. So what's the best method to mirror PC screen to Android? So he was talking, he have a really related assignment, usually screen mirror PC screen to my Android phone. So there are many means. I think okay. So so there are many means. In other words, there are a lot of ways to do it. Okay. So Android is a platform that is currently most popular OS available in the market. So the reason is the framework now. Actually, is because of the open source. So everybody start writing, and one of them is the screen sharing. Now this article he divided into 3 parts. Okay, one is the mirror PC screen to Android, cast screen from Windows to Android. Okay, you know what is cast screen, so you actually mirror the screen from Windows to Android phone. So mirror PC screen to Android, how to choose Android to mirror to PC. Mirror PC to Android. Okay, so part 3 is the other way around. So for the mentioned mirror go, okay, but for part 3 we don't cover for this talk because we actually talking about PC screen to Android only. Okay, so cast screen from Windows to Android. Okay, you can mirror to Android. It means you're able to remotely access and manage your PC screen with Android screen. That means you can use your Android phone to control your PC over using a screen. Whatever appear on the screen, you can control. The bottom here. Okay, so such convenience handy for developers, teachers, and professional. I don't know whether you're using it or not. I also never use until some Benjamin asked me to take a look and give a presentation for this. So there's a word called screen casting. It's actually mirroring screen cast. Screen cast is means to cast to another person. Okay. So on the phone isn't rotated. So there are a few things you should do from a phone setting menu to enable PC mirroring. We call it USB debugging. What is USB debugging? Debug the phone now. So you need an Android phone to the computer via USB cable. Okay, this is using USB cable. So tap on the setting menu on the Android device, go to additional setting, and tap on developer option. So we are unable to see, go back and tap about the phone. About phone, okay, setting. So you see build number of the device and tap 7 times. Also must tap a few times. So you bring the device into developer mode. So repeat step 2. Okay, step in everything. So enable USB debugging and tap. Once you switch to debugging, debug. The other thing you should remember is the Android device and PC to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, the process of mirroring didn't work. Okay, so it's actually quite lengthy, but I think you can do it. But I also didn't try at this moment. So just if you want, you can try yourself. In the next section of the article, into top 3 apps to mirror this screen to Android. Okay, discuss pro and con of. Assist you in choosing the most suitable app to use the Android device to mirror the PC screen. Okay, now this one, just now you use USB cable. So the second method is to use apps. Okay, third part. So you mirror PC screen to Android. How to choose the app? Okay, third party mirroring platform offer you the access to anything on the screen with a smartphone. Process is also known as screen sharing. Okay, so it's called screen sharing. Mirroring also called screen sharing. It requires a stable internet connection to enable it. Now, apps are not able to Android, but also on top of the platform size, Mac OS, Windows, Linux. Okay, so apps are free to use and some are subscription based. So so we share 3 info from the top 3 platform. So it's a top 3. Okay, so we look at it. Chrome desktop. Chrome desktop you can use. Okay, remote desktop, you Google it, you should able to see this. Okay, it's a free PC to Android space sharing by Google. Now, platform is among the most popular remote apps. Not easy. It's not easy, only easy to use. Means it's easy to use, but it's also secure. Okay, so you manage the access the content of computer from the Android with the Chrome remote desktop. So you can try this. Okay, I haven't tried. So what's the pro and con? Pro is free of charge. You don't have to pay and manage the computer screen from the Android phone, and secure as you enter a PIN number to gain to access the device. Interface of the Chrome remote desktop is easy to navigate. The only thing about this, no file sharing. You need the assistance of the Chrome browser to access the application. So only the Chrome browser. Splashstop personal remote desktop. So Splashstop remote desktop app. Okay, you Google. It's capable of offering remote access to the PC screen from Android phone. It means it's the other way around. PC screen from Android phone. This service is fast. You can form multiple remote connections. However, it provides various layers of security, which make it impossible for intruders to access. That means the content, the application across multiple platform, Windows, blah blah blah, Android. Okay, you can access that. Then you can share. And one thing he was saying that Splashstop is subscription based. That means you have to pay. So it's not free. Unlike the other one, it's free. So the pro is graphic interface is intuitive. It means it's easier to set up and manage. Pricing plan is reasonable. The con is file transfer is only available with business plan. Offer a 7-day free trial. So it's not free, okay. So we have Space Desk. Okay, the third one. Space Desk offer a fast and secure service. Allow PC mirroring to any phone available on the platform such as Windows and OS. So this is the third one. Okay, we got Space Desk server. So you please check the pro and con of Space Desk to PC to Android. So this one is PC to Android. Space dash is less invasive. Okay, you do not need an account to manage service and it's free. So interface of space dash is a bit outdated, less intuitive. I don't know how you consider, but never mind. Later we take a look. The mirroring feature is not fast as the other app. So your part 3 may go under. This one I'm not going to cover, so I skip this one. But if you want just this one is to use mirror to PC, mirror go. Okay, you can Google this. Oh, okay. Now this one is the website address URL that I extract from this article from. Okay, want the share mirror to PC, PC to screen to Android, DF phone. Okay, okay. Let me take one of the apps. Maybe we use desktop. Desktop space dash. Okay, we try out space dash. Anybody can try also. So go Chrome. Maybe you type space dash, space dash, space dash, download. Then there's a virtual screen, another thing. Microsoft Store also have. Okay, you can choose either one. So maybe I choose this one, multi-application app. Okay, then you documentation, other things, space dash. Okay, then you download. Now, my notebook use window monitor. Okay, so you go down. Mine is 64-bit actually. So mine is Windows 10 64-bit. So I click this one, then you download. Okay, Windows 10. I'm not going to download one more time because I already installed. So make it easier for you. So there's a client space dash viewer software. Okay, 64-bit. This one is usually for PC you use a driver. Okay, primary server. Then for the secondary one you use client. Okay, that means the mobile phone. So you use you download from Google Play Android. Okay, yeah. So these are all the things. I think I download already. Okay, so I don't want to download again. Okay, Google Play. So you also got for now this one for this one you install at the mobile phone, Android phone. Okay, install. I don't want to click already because I already download and install. Okay. So they explain to you lah. So any question from now before I proceed further? We don't have, then we proceed. I don't know how to show it to you, but right now, what you see now is this one, right? I think so. I don't know whether can. Okay. So any, I didn't share, huh? Am I sharing screen now? Wait.
No screen.
Wait. You can see this one, right? So I don't to download already, but you all can try download now and we do it together or what? I don't know which one you can see. Is it from my mobile phone or what? I think it's from my mobile phone you'll see. Okay. So so you all can right click display setting. Okay. Now is now you see the wait, let me check this. Okay, now I activate the full screen already. I don't know whether which screen can see. So I got one, the Chuan one, I think is the screen that cannot see. It's from my notebook. I think what you see is the Chuan 2. Okay, maybe you see empty screen, right? So never mind, I stop. See whether you can. I don't know how you see the other screen. Okay, this is my screen on my notebook. Okay, maybe I don't share screen first. Okay, this is the screen on my notebook. Okay. Okay, I notice that there are two screens there. One identify, we press identify. Okay, this one and two, one and two. Okay, so when I go down and split only extend this display, that means you got two screens. So which one you see now? Is the window one or what? Because I cannot let you see the mobile. Oh.
Oh, Chuan, if you want to us to see the mobile, then you have to share the screen of your mobile.
Oh, how to share screen on mobile?
You go to your mobile phone, you touch the screen, then the menu will pop out. Then you can share already. You don't share this one first. You close this one. You unshare this one. Terminate share.
No, if I want to see two,
cannot see two. The Zoom don't allow you to see two. You can see two, but the Zoom can only share one screen.
No, the small screen.
The small screen is on your phone. Yeah, so you must share your phone. We must share your phone, or you use the phone camera to show us. Cannot. You need another camera to show.
Camera.
No, you just cannot show. Zoom only show one screen.
Okay, then never mind.
It's either your notebook or your phone.
Oh, it break already.
So you only can see, but if we all install, then you will see a second screen now on the phone. So if you want to run YouTube, I just drag the YouTube to the second screen.
Oh, okay.
Then you will watch the YouTube on the second screen.
Oh.
So you won't clutter on your main screen. No?
I think break already.
Zoom limitation only allow one screen only.
Okay. So cannot see, You can see my screen, right? But
I only can see your Windows screen. Unless you terminate your Windows screen and then you share your phone screen, then you can see your phone.
and never mind, you can try. How the display break? So very difficult, sometimes. Practical session, face to face will be better. How come? Join meeting. Break already. So I think the mobile one cannot share. Okay. Anyway, you all try and see how. Okay. Yeah. Let me go out and come in again and see how. I think nothing wrong with this one.
So if you want them to see your mobile phone, then you end the share. You end the share on your notebook.
Share.
Oh, well, ended already. Your share ended. Now you go to your phone, and then share your phone. You go to your phone Zoom. You
Zoom,
then you tap on the screen. Then the menu will all pop out at the bottom. Then you share.
No, the problem need to end the. I need to come out from here.
No, you just tap on the share screen. The share on your phone. You tap on the share. In your Zoom, you have a share button at the bottom of your phone. Okay, from here you must run the space dash.
That's my space test now.
Where's your space dash icon?
Okay lah, I must find Then you
connecting. Connecting.
You see?
They have real on your phone. So you go to your desktop, then you drag one application to the right of your screen, then you come to this screen. Your mouse must go to the left. mouse must go to the left. I've dragged one
Mine is on the
icon.
right.
Right is your phone, so this is your phone screen. That's why you don't see all the desktop icon. This is the second screen. If you click any icon, let's say Chrome, it will appear on the first screen. Then you must drag it over to the second screen. Then you appear on the second screen. Any screen, you don't maximize it, you just drag over. You cannot maximize.
Cannot. 不可以。
No, you don't maximize your screen, your window. You don't maximize. Then you just drag to the right side. You drag to the right. Any window, even the Explorer also can.
Now I duplicating.
You don't maximize your window.
Wait, I adjust my phone so I know where is it. This is my computer screen. This is my
Coming area, halfway, come area. Yeah.
Okay.
So you got two screens, but we only can see one.
Yeah. So that's why I don't know how.
Yeah, we only can see one. This is the second screen.
This is actually lubricate. Lubricate, yeah. Or you can extend. Okay. Let me go to. I can't show you the other one. Maybe it's better that. Display setting. I got two. So
No, there are two. You can see two, but we are in the Zoom. We can only see one. So you cannot show us two simultaneously. You cannot switch one.
okay. So understand, but now you see both one screen change, right? Because these are okay, let me check. Okay.
Yeah, half lah. Now you put your window in the middle, then half here, half there.
For me difficult to control it. Because that's why you're saying there's some lag. So if you show YouTube, you may got problem. Or I can show YouTube. It may break sometimes. Okay, these are extend now in extend mode.
Okay, you can click make this the main screen. Just you make this the main screen.
Okay. This so my mobile is a next screen already. It's the main screen. So you follow. Actually, I can see the lag on my notebook. So what we see is this one. Okay.
Duplicate display. You click duplicate display. Then you'll see both. Both also same thing.
Yes.
Duplicate this display.
Don't go. Why? You need practice now.
Oh, now one screen to another. So I think recursion already. Now you got many one screen inside the other screen. This is a bug.
Yeah. 1 and 2 together.
Yeah, this is a bug. There's a bug.
Off. 1 and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So I think there's a my screen is actually distorted. Oh, my close. Actually, they are overlapped. So it's very difficult to show now.
No, in the Zoom is difficult to show because we can only see one screen.
But y'all can try huh? So actually space tech is very good. But I don't think you can see YouTube from one side to another. I mean YouTube one play and do work. I think YouTube got some lag. Try already. So that's why there's a disadvantage. I don't know how to go back already. You are being Chuan to okay. See my screen? Hang already.
It's not hang. It end up in the second screen what we are looking at. Because now your screen control is on the second screen. And now you can't see already.
No,
because
now my mobile phone line break off already. So
your desktop cannot see the screen control already. And one of your browser also gone to the second screen. Okay, this is your first screen, your notebook.
Yes.
And then the second screen, some of the application end up in the second screen. So you will have trouble getting it back later on.
Never mind. This is my spare phone now, so it's okay.
No, your notebook, the app you click will not open already because the window is on the other screen.
Yes.
We remember where is your location.
So it's okay. Anyway, we try. Okay, this can work lah. So you use this one, then you see how. Okay. Okay, let's go back. So you can see my notebook screen, right? Lagging, I can see lagging. So so I show you the first one. Okay. So this one is actually the same. Okay, this one is from the internet also. So they recommend guide how to mirror window to Android smartphone. Tablet also can. Okay. So using one monitor but having two multitask is even better. Okay, doing mirror to Android. This can be a panel cell USB over Wi-Fi. It's not too much. So this got last time we saw splash top right. Two now 5 different computer. But space dash work over USB or Wi-Fi home network. So you take note. Okay, space dash. Okay, choose one is best for you. Now how to use Android device as a second monitor. Okay, So you just like, I think I showed it to you already. You download, install whatever thing, install space test. Okay. Number one is remote. One is remote. Okay. This one is new extend for one for PC. Okay. Then after you install already, you must remember to reboot now. Open space test remote add. Okay. Then once you install the program, both phone and tablet, everything is easy. Now there's one thing, there's a catch. So we must use the same Wi-Fi connection. Okay. So at home, I think you only use one Wi-Fi connection, right? Maybe 2G and 5G most. So you can connect to either one, but not separately. Okay. So app should automatically find on the computer, just connect and start. So if it doesn't find, you enter your IP address. Okay. And right click any blank area, you go to display setting. Just now I do right. So you select extend instead of mirror or duplicate. So sorry, right? Function program on a tablet and doing something else on the main monitor. But don't watch YouTube now. Something movie one. I think on lag also experience. Okay, then the workup some other details. Special 2 is what is paid. So you also mentioned this. This is a net got to be mobile.com mirror to Android. I think you just Google how to mirror window to Android second monitor as a second monitor. You should be able to come up some of the suggestion for you. One of them is a space stack. Okay. Any problem? Don't have, I close. The last one is actually extract from here, give you the instruction. Just simplify. Install space test on your Android phone, then reboot. Okay. So everything is the same. So any question? Actually, I want to show you. I got a mobile portable monitor. So I don't know how to share 3 monitor for you. Don't know how to share. Maybe now it's duplicate. So I guess I can show to you. You can connect 3. If you got portable monitor or extra monitor, you can split 3 screens. Okay. So any questions?
Question?
还有吗？
Question?
I think on the live demo should be easier, but I think over the Zoom is difficult. That's all I can tell you. Now the next session is most likely another third-party application software, also freeware. So next session we take a look at another session because it's already 9:15. So that's why I bring to what?
Okay, now can see. Mr. Ng Chong Chuan